The AirPods Pro 2 have appeared with an impressive feat, coming with all new features without an increase in the price from the original 2019 AirPods Pro 2. With a new chip powering things along, we are treated to far greater sonic performance and excellent noise cancellation as well as improved battery life. While they are not going to be perfect for Android users and they do cost a pretty penny, we were constantly absorbed by the sonic performance on offer here. It's a hugely worthwhile upgrade from Apple. When trying the new AirPods Pro 2, the first question comes, what's actually different? The first AirPods Pro were a good move forward for Apple. The sound quality was good and the overall performance great when you have multiple Apple devices. What can be improved? While the design hasn't moved on that much since the first iteration, just a new audio vent hinting at a difference. The new case has a speaker and a lanyard attachment for both case of finding the lost earbuds and keeping hold of them on your person. There are new features we enjoyed in the mix too. Volume control from the stems is welcome. If fiddly to use, the microphones have been enhanced to allow for better voice clarity as well. The personalized spatial audio capability is nice to have, making them feel like your earbuds, but we are not sure it adds a lot. However, the audio performance has been massively upgraded thanks to the new H2 chip, and it makes this a real contender for the best true wireless earbuds around. The overall soundscape is wide, expensive, and the AirPods Pro 2 are excellent at pulling out different instruments in the audio. The vocal tones are clear, the bass throbbing but not dominant. We found ourselves reaching for them just to sink into a sonic world when we had an idle movement. That feeling of audio envelopment comes from an enhanced noise cancelling capability, and it's brilliant on the AirPods Pro 2. Turn it on and the world fades away. It's among the best we have tried in any true wireless earbuds. The battery life has been extended, but not to beat many other rivals on the market. Turn on all the head tracking, spatial audio and noise cancelling features and you will get about 4 to 5 hours between charges, with the case now able to charge in a variety of new ways too. In short, while they are expensive and a real investment, if you are embedded in the Apple ecosystem, these are excellent, immersive and beautifully sounding buds. There's also a new AirPods app in iOS 16 which allows you to head in and alter the settings on the AirPods themselves. One of the key features here is the ability to set up personalized spatial audio, where a scan of your face and ears will be able to recalibrate the sound performance of the AirPods Pro 2. It's hard to see how holding your phone at arm's length from your head is going to be able to see inside your ear, but Apple is adamant it makes a difference. The setup is easy enough to achieve, and there is a marked difference using the personalized system, far more expansive and interesting to listen to, with different instruments easier to pick out. Another useful feature of the AirPods Pro 2 is the strong voice pickup when using the headphones as a headset for a Zoom call or taking a phone call. You can pair the Pro 2 with any Bluetooth device that requires a headset, such as a laptop, tablet or a phone. The setup is easy enough to achieve, and there is a marked difference using the personalized system, far more expansive and interesting to listen to, with different instruments easier to pick out. Another useful feature of the AirPods Pro 2 is the strong voice pickup when using the headphones as a headset for a Zoom call or taking a phone call. You can pair the Pro 2 with any Bluetooth device that requires a headset, such as a tablet, laptop or a phone, and thus have decent video calls or have a phone conversation without worrying that the headphones aren't going to pick it up. It might sound like a small thing, but being able to use the new AirPods as a headset is crucial for many people, and the new AirPods Pro 2 didn't disappoint in our testing. Just be warned, if you connect them to a PC running Windows, it can disable the auto connect feature on your iPhone. So, if you want great sound, the Airpods Pro 2 sound brilliant and shout out the real world so well. If you want to treat yourself, then you will really appreciate it. It's a little of the safe and stable side, but still an enjoyable experience. And if you have got all manner of Apple things like iPad, Apple TV, or Apple Watch or similar, then you will really get the benefit of these headphones with the seamless switching. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share it with your friends and keep watching Review Arena to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities reviewed, and check the description box below to get this product at best rate.